this module, you will learn how Scrum is helpful to any project. So let us see some of the key benefits of using Scrum. Adaptability is the very first benefit I want to point out here. The Scrum principles of empirical process control and iterative delivery make projects adaptable and open to incorporating change when it occurs. Scrum processes are designed to embrace change. A key benefit for stakeholders is that Scrum is customer-centric. Emphasis on business value and having a collaborative approach that includes stakeholders ensures a customer-oriented framework in a Scrum-controlled project. Continuous delivery of value is an additional benefit that results from being customer-centric. In Scrum, iterative processes enable the continuous delivery of value through the ship deliverables process. Each sprint produces a potentially shippable product, service, or desired result. Early delivery of high value is a closely related business benefit of using Scrum. Not only is the delivery of value continuous, the create prioritized product backlog process ensures that the highest value requirements of the customer are met first. Both the customer and the project team benefit from continuous feedback. In Scrum, continuous feedback is provided through the conduct daily stand-up and demonstrate and validate sprint processes. Continuous feedback contributes to another key benefit, transparency. In a Scrum-managed project, all information centers, such as the Scrum board and sprint burnout chart, are continually displayed and updated, which leads to an open working environment. Sprint review meetings demonstrate potentially shippable products to stakeholders, keeping them fully informed about the current status and progress of the project. Transparency enhances the important benefit of a high-trust environment. The conduct daily stand-up and retrospect sprint processes promote transparency and collaboration. This leads to a high-trust work environment, ensuring low friction between employees. Scrum's adaptability and transparency create an environment of continuous improvement. As the project progresses, the deliverables are improved progressively, sprint by sprint, with changes and improvements being included and managed, a refined and prioritized product backlog process. Another important benefit is sustainable pace. Scrum processes are designed such that the people involved can work at a pace that they can sustain indefinitely. Another benefit of using Scrum is an efficient development process. In Scrum, it has been observed that time boxing and minimizing non-essential work leads to higher efficiency levels. The next benefit is motivation. The conduct daily stand-up and retrospect sprint processes lead to greater levels of motivation among employees. Faster problem resolution is one of the important benefits of using Scrum in projects. Collaboration and co-location of cross-functional teams lead to identifying and solving problems more quickly. The next benefit is effective deliverables. The demonstrate and validate process and regular reviews after creating deliverables ensures effective deliverables to the customer. The next benefit is collective ownership. The approve, estimate, and commit user stories process allows team members to take ownership of the project and of their work, leading to better quality in Scrum. High velocity is another important benefit. A collaborative framework enables highly skilled cross-functional teams to achieve their full potential and high velocity. And the last benefit that we will discuss is Scrum's innovative environment. The retrospect sprint and retrospect release processes create an environment of introspection, learning, and adaptability, leading to an innovative and creative work environment. And that wraps up this module introducing key benefits of using Scrum in any project. I look forward to seeing you again, and thank you for learning with us.